Let's talk about a string expression. To do that, I jump into a new scene and I go to my logic layout. You can find the string expressions down here under the expression nodes, and then down here we have the string expression. So simply drag and drop one in. And as you can see here on the right side under the properties, we have here already expressions which is already configured as a string, and also 4 arguments which are also configured as a string, and of course also our output is configured as a string. I took out here our text editor, because I think it's a bit more easy if I type in here our expressions. Let me show you the first example, what you can do with a string expression. We have here argument A, B, C, D, and let's say I want to do a concatenation, or let's call it combining strings from A, B, C, D, or just A and B. You simply type here A plus B. Okay, so let's give them some values. This is John, and his second name is Doe. And as you can see here in the output, we have now these 2 strings A and B combined. Okay, so let's say you want to have some space in between that names. Then you simply, let's select this guy. Then you simply say A plus, and then we make an empty space, right? And then you have to make the plus sign again. And if we do that, then you can see now we have that empty space in between here. You can also write if-else statements in a string expression. Let's say we want to check if a string is empty, and if the string is empty, then we want to return a default output. Okay, so let's write that down. Let's say if our A is empty, so empty is just the empty character, then I want to write a string here in our expression, and that's no input provided. Okay, else is our colon, we give the output A. Okay, so let's check this. We have now our output A is John, so we have provided some string. So let's delete this, let's make A empty. Then we can see we get here now the result which we defined over here, no input provided. We also can calculate the number or the length of a string. So let's say I want to calculate the number of characters in string A, for example, right? Let me delete B. And to do that, we simply say A.length to string, open close brackets. And as you can see, we have now a length of 0 because our argument A is empty. Let's call that here now mat. And then we have a string length of 4 because here 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4 characters in our string A. You also can do uppercase or lowercase conversions, right? Or substring extractions. I won't show you all of them because you can find them basically in the .NET library or documentation. Let's say I want to make an uppercase conversion for our argument A, right? So we simply write here A dot to upper. Close this bracket as well. And now you can see all of our characters are in uppercase now. And to do the lowercase, you simply type here to lower. And now you can see all our argument string in A is lowercase. So once you create an expression here in Ventuz, then basically the system namespace is available, right? And as the system namespace is available, you can use all functions in the mass namespace, in the convert class, and all the string operations.